Hi, Chloe. Thanks so much for taking the time. I have a child who is 4 and struggling a bit to say the first words, and I was wondering if maybe the Noala program could help her.
Yeah, amazing. So, what we would expect first is we need to have an assessment done. So, whether that's you bring an assessment from a previous therapist or you book online and you can book an online assessment with one of our speech professionals. This then gives us a good baseline as to know where to guide our intervention and whether one of our programs is going to be suitable for you. So, as you're talking about first words, this program here is our language program. So if you've signed up, you've paid for the program, you'll be landing on this page. What it is it's a 6-session program with each week has a different theme. First of all, we start with foods. We've got animals, transport, body parts, colors and shapes. Okay. And each week, one of these sessions will be unlocked for you. Okay. And on each week, we've got a coaching video created by Sarah, our clinical director, found here, which will contain strategies, activities for you to complete at home, linked to the topic of the week. This case, it's food. And it also provides tips and tricks on, attention and listening, and their social skills, their understanding of language and their use of language. And Sarah here, she's our clinical director. She's got over 15 years experience. So we're really, with these videos here, they are clinically backed by speech and language therapists. Okay, so, sorry.
Do I need to have all the toys and everything that she's using in the video, or can I use what I have at home?
Yep. So if you can find anything at home that will work, relating to the topic is obviously going to be what we're after. So any puzzles with, for example, food on it, or the food topic is a really great one because we can actually use food around our house in the kitchen. Make it as functional for you as possible. Okay. So the coaching video gives you home practice, but we've also got digital exercises here that focus. We've got one here, keywords. So this will be your child's understanding. Now, you said your child is 4 years old, struggling with first words. So potentially your speech therapist will assign you to level 1. So this is their one word understanding. Okay. So if we click on this exercise.
And so, yeah, go ahead, sorry.
Yep. So what we would expect from you at home, so you'd land here, we would just simply ask you to say to your child, click on the sandwich, for example, and we want them to either on their touchscreen on their computer, press the right answer. Okay. And we really ideally would like whatever the first one they press. So then that information, the scores that they get can then get sent to your speech therapist who will review them. So we just want one click on their answer, okay, and their first answer if possible. And if they aren't clicking and they're just pointing to the screen, feel free to press it for them, just so that score then gets submitted, okay.
Amazing. And I can see that immediately I know if the response is correct or not. And at the end, I get to that scorecard. Do I need to do anything specific with that scorecard?
Yep. So this is the scorecard. If you make sure that you press finish, so then this data then gets set to your assigned therapist. So then what that data then does is that we would ask of you to book in with your speech professional on a 10-minute weekly call. So then we can review those scores that you've provided us with, and we can help guide the rest of your week if you found there was anything you're struggling with, what went well, and help support you as you go through. So that would be the first activity. Oh, go on. Sorry.
No, but it's super interesting that I can have like those checking with you every week and get your feedback on how we're progressing. Can those calls happen only via video call, or can we have a call and does my child need to attend those calls?
Yep. So we can do it as a video or just a simple phone call. It's just a 10-minute check-in call with a speech therapist. Your child doesn't have to be there. It's more about how you as a parent are doing, helping you to feel empowered with your child when you're playing with them, and you're learning all these strategies to help support their communication.
Sounds good. And so I discovered that there is another exercise called flashcard. What do I need to do here?
Exactly. So flashcards is then our using language, so the words they will produce. So this exercise, we'd simply want you to say once, we want you to name this food, say that to your child, because we would like their response, okay? So sometimes we would ideally like you to say it once, so name this food, press record at the bottom there, and hopefully we can record your child saying it. If they're struggling, you know, they might need modeling, so you might need to say the word and help them. But that's what the coaching videos alongside this activity will help with their development. Okay, and your speech therapist, if they are struggling, that's what the 10-minute check-in call will do, help provide you with more strategies, more guidance to really help them thrive.
And I can see here that when I click on record, then there is a play button. Should I play back the sound?
Yep, so that's just another way for your child to hear what they're saying. If you maybe there was a difficulty with the recording, you might just need to record it again, you know. It's just another way for your child to hear back what they're saying.
Amazing. And here again, this card that I guess, based on what you just said, for keyword, we need to click on finish.
Exactly. Make sure you press finish so then that data gets sent to your therapist. Okay.
And what about this color sheet?
Okay, so this is just a fun activity that we've created, you know, still using the topic of food or your week that you're working on, just for them to colour in, you know, just a nice little activity at the end.
That's
And
nice.
this one, I was going to say, this one can be printed out, so you can use your colouring pens at home. You just print the PDF.
Wow, they're gonna love that. And on the app, I can see several tabs. So food, body part, animals. How can I progress from one to the other?
Yes, so once you've bought the program, you will only have your first topic unlocked, which will be food. All these others will be locked for you at the minute. So we just focus on that first week. What will happen is you'll have your 10-minute check-in call with your therapist. They will then decide whether you will need a bit longer on this topic if your child isn't quite confident with that topic, or whether they will say, actually, we can move on, and they will unlock this next week for you. And the same sort of exercises occur throughout. You know, you've got your colouring sheet, your flashcards, and your keywords again, with a coaching video by Sarah again, just with a different topic.
You mentioned 6 weeks. What about if we go on holiday for a week, or if my child usually is quite fast and you know progress faster than expected?
Yep, so 6 weeks is a guide that speech and language therapists use. But absolutely, if your child needs a bit longer on a week, they're just learning it at a different rate, that's no problem at all. We just continue until we feel confident that your child has achieved that week.
Right. And can I contact you if I have any question in between our check-in call together?
Yes, so there's the messaging function here. It's a secured messaging platform where you can contact your assigned professional here with any concerns throughout the week, anything you've done really well that you want to share, and maybe you want to record something. That will all get sent to your therapist. You can have a look before your 10-minute check-in call.
Amazing. That sounds all fantastic. Let me have a final look at it, and most probably I'll book an assessment with you in the coming days. Thank you.
Amazing. Fantastic. What I will say quickly is, just so you know, for your information, the videos that we've created, they are exactly what you will find in a face-to-face session. It is just delivered in a different format. So, you know,
that's really reassuring. And I guess that the whole program has been also, you know, based on research and evidence-based, as I've heard.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's all been clinically backed by our speech and language therapists, just aiming to empower and support the parent as they work with their child developing their communication. And, you know, you can access this immediately. There's no waiting list, and from the comfort of your own home. So it's really functional for your child.
That's amazing. Looks really, really fantastic. Thanks so much, Chloe. Speak
You're welcome.
soon.
Bye.